Oh yeah, that's nice. Wrap around the outlet. Wow. Okay. So I got this Chinese diesel heater, or it's a Deaver. Anyways, I just took the lid off. Wanted to see how this stuff was put together, because after all, it is, you know, Chinese, I guess. Sometimes they build these pretty quick or pretty cheap. I'm just making sure all my lines are good. This is right against the, I don't know how I like that. Goes around there, and then it goes around the intakes, which I don't think it'll be bad because that's cold air. And it goes around here, and it loops under and into the intake. And one of these is the exhaust, and one of those is the air intake. So yeah, I'll have to figure out which one's which. But all in all, everything seems to be good, all the connections. So yeah, I thought I'd make a video of this because nobody makes videos about making holes in the bottom of your sea can. I made a tiny home slash camp out of a tiny home, and I'm installing a diesel heater I got off of Amazon. So I already drilled through my subfloor here, and I just got the core here. That's my subfloor, and here is the actual hole for the sea can, and all it is wood. I thought it would be metal or something, but nope. All there is I think there's C4s or C5s channels, metal channels that runs across as cross members, and that's all there is. So if you can drill a hole and miss the cross member, it's as easy. I thought I pushed record when I drilled the hole, but I guess I didn't. But anyways, there's the hole. You can see right through. And this floor of the sea can is multiple layers of plywood. That's all it is. So as long as you can drill through without hitting the cross member, you're fine. So I'm just gonna drill the correct size to match the exhaust in a piece of tin, cover the hole, put the exhaust through. Okay, so there's the hole and the plate. I put some high heat silicone around the plate. Didn't need high heat silicone, but I just want to seal it. I am gonna put high heat silicone around the hole here just to seal the little bit of gap that there will be for the tip of the exhaust here. So yeah. I wanted to make a video about this because not too many people put this on YouTube or anything. They all say these are all great and they're awesome and all that crap. But anyways, they are great. It's just if you buy them like this, you got to make sure that your fuel is higher than the pump, and the pump, your direction of flow is going down. So this is the proper way to pump is sucking down, and as you can see, you can barely hear the pump going, but it is going. And that's the other problem. When it's in here, the pump was facing the other way. The fuel tank was here. The inlet was, the fuel line was going that way, up, around, back down into the fuel pump, up, around this fucking thing, and in there where it goes. But yeah, that wasn't working. It was pumping with a bunch of air. So they just slap them together. They don't do they don't care. They just want to sell them, right? They're cheap, so whatever, it's all good. But this is the way you should do it. And with the pump bolted in here and the hard line everywhere on the metal, on the tin, all you can hear was the pump tick, 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 tick. Now you can't hear it. And it is running, see? And that's your room temp, and that's your nozzle temperature, the air that's coming out of here. So, yeah. So I'm just gonna take my lid back and put it back on top, and it works perfect. So yeah, just letting you guys know if you guys have any questions or whatever. That's how I got mine running. And oh yeah, also I haven't put this on. They say this is to regulate the air intake to have the proper air fuel mixture. Well, just like a transport runs off of diesel, and the old style, you had the old style injectors, everything was mechanical. The more air you can pump into it, the more power you're getting. The more power you're getting, that means the more heat you're creating. So I didn't put it on, and I'm getting, like I said, like 212, 210. So yeah, anyway, thank you.